Today we are going to discuss on a new topic, structures. So, a structure is a user-defined data type which is used for grouping logically related variables and a name. So, we have seen arrays, that is also a data structure, and it's also used for grouping data items that are of same data type, right? So, a structure is a user-defined data type which groups logically related variables under a name. And here the data types can be different, okay, and it is declared with the keyword struct. So this is the definition: struct tag name, then within curly bracket we can declare different variables of different data types, and we close this curly bracket and end with a semicolon, and ending with semicolon is very important in the syntax. Now example, struct date. This is a tag name, date. Within bracket I have int d, d for day, int m, m for month, int y, y for year. So I have closed the structure declaration. Now if I want more variables or more structures with this same data, I can declare date birthday. That means birthday is also a structure with these elements. Okay. Join day is also a structure of same type date with these elements. So this is one way of declaring other structures. Another one is before this semicolon we can give another name. So date is a structure with these data types. Birthday is also a structure of type date with these data types. Now initializing a structure element. A member of a structure can be accessed with the use of a dot operator. So in the last structure, D was specified for day, right? So if I want to assign 25 to the day, I will write birthday dot D equal to 25. That means day D in structure birthday is assigned to be 25. Then initialization can also be done like array. For example, in date join day. I have declared join day as a data structure similar to that of date. So values are day, month and year. So I am giving that values within curly brackets with comma. Then I can initialize using input operator, right? So in join day dot day equal to 19. Okay. Similarly, join day dot month equal to 6. Okay. Now structure assignment. Now if two structures are having same data, we can just write birthday equal to join day. So that means a date, month and year of birthday is assigned to date, month and year of join day if they have same data. Now nested structure or structure within a structure is called complex structures. Okay, structure within a structure. We have discussed nested loops, right? So if we have a loop within another loop, we will say it as nested loop. Similarly, if we have a structure within another structure, it is known as nested structure. So see, I am having a structure address. Within that I have house number, city and pin. Now I have another structure employee with employee number, name, designation, and see, this address is of structure address. Okay, so this is the structure data type. Okay, so we have a structure data type within another structure and it forms the nested structure. When we use nested structure, you should be very careful that inner structure should be declared before outer structure. Here I am using the structure address, so which is declared before this. Otherwise compiler will report an error. Now to accept the members of struct M, we can use dot operator as follows. So I have declared another structure worker at the end of a structure employer, right? So if I want to as an M number, then employee number, I am using C in worker dot employee number. Now if I want to access city, I cannot give directly as worker dot city. I have to give worker dot address dot city. Why? Because city is inside the structure address. So in order to access city from worker, I have to go through this address. So if while assigning also worker dot employee number equal to 12 and worker dot address dot house number equal to 169. This is the program which shows how we can read a value to a structure elements. So these are the header files. These are the two structures that we have already discussed: structure address and also another structure employee. So how we can assign values? So this is our main function. Enter employee number. So when I am entering the employee number, we are giving to a particular employee number by using scene worker dot employee number. So worker is the structure name and we are assigning employee number to that particular structure. Enter name worker dot name. Enter designation worker dot designation. Enter address house number. So here I am assigning as worker dot address dot house number. Not directly to this address, address dot house number is used. Similarly, city worker dot address dot city, street worker dot address dot street, pin worker dot address dot pin, and basic pay we can directly assign to worker dot basic. So this is how we can assign values to structure. Now, structure and arrays. We can even use array declaration while declaring the structure. So, to declare an array of structure, we have to define a structure and then declare an array variable for that type. That is, I have already declared the structure employee. So, suppose I want to enter the data of 100 employees, what I have to do? I have to declare structure as an array. So here worker of 100 means we can have 100 workers data. Okay, so if I am giving worker of 0, it means worker of 0 will contain everything like name, designation, address, everything. So to access the members, we can provide a loop as in case of array. So for I equal to 0, I less than 100, I plus per scene worker I dot employee number. So corresponding array will get that value. Now functions and structures. If a structure declaration is local to a function and if you need to pass its value, we have two options. One is by passing individual structure element and another is passing the entire structure. First we will see how we can pass a structure element to a function. So this is a date structure. We have already seen this. This is my main function. Now see date birthday. That is birthday is a data structure. Okay, it's a structure, data structure of type structure of structure date. Okay, that is birthday have day, month and year. So see here I am declaring a function 1 birthday dot day, birthday dot month, birthday dot year. That is I am passing values day, month and year of particular structure birthday. Now we will declare okay function. This is a function call. See how I am calling by using arguments. What are the arguments? Structure, right? Arguments of a or data of the structure is used. So birthday dot day, birthday dot month, birthday dot year. So what are the corresponding values stored in the particular structure? It will be used for calling the function. So this is passing individual structure element. Now we can pass a structure whole. For example, this is the struct date. See here, date birthday, then void function one, then date birthday. I am passing the whole structure as a parameter. Now, returning structure from function. So function can return structures. So we have seen that it can return values. So here it can return even structures. So return type of the function is same as that of the type of structure return. So hope you have understood the concept of structures.